Hey there, welcome to TechTube. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your Threads account or get your Threads account. So just open your preferred web browser and go on, and in the address bar you're going to type in Threads. Right, so click on the first link that you see from threads.net. Now this is a text app that is linked with Meta, that is from the Meta, and linked with Instagram, Facebook, and all the other Meta apps. So if you want a new ID, just click on login. This is their main page. Just click on login right there. Here, what you can do is you can log in with your Instagram account if you already have it. Otherwise, you just need to create your own create a new Instagram account. Or you can just, if you have the Threads account already opened on your phone, you just need to scan this QR code, or just simply click on continue with Instagram. Right, if you have Instagram opened on your PC. So I'm just gonna click on there. So I have this account logged in my PC right now, so it will just prompt that one, and there we go. We're logged in into my Instagram account, and that will pull my some of my bios and other informations from there if you allow it. So there you go. That's how you get a Threads account. If this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.